I'll show you the secret behind this incredible dessert. Few know how to make it like this. First, peel 2 ripe tangerines and separate their sections. Then, peel 3 small bananas. Then, cut the tangerine sections into smaller pieces and set aside. In a large saucepan, add 150 milliliters of water. Add 36 grams of unflavored gelatin. Then, add 400 milliliters of milk. Add 150 grams of unsweetened natural yogurt. 200 grams of condensed milk. Finally, add the fruits we cut earlier. Also add 120 grams of fresh blueberries, 120 grams of green grapes, and stir until combined. Once you've done that, pour this mixture into a 1.5-liter plastic bottle with the top cut off. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 5 hours. Unmold the dessert and cut it into slices. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.